Welcome students once again to the studios of Upadhyay IIT where we are discussing solutions to JEE Mains. Right? चलिए इस क्वेश्चन की बात करते हैं. स्टोइकियोमेट्री का क्वेश्चन है. इस क्वेश्चन में कहा गया है कि M2CO3 दिस इज सम मेटल कार्बोनेट रिएक्ट्स 1 ग्राम गिव्स दिस मेनी मोल. इसके बेस पे आप मोलर मास बताइए M2CO3 का कितना होगा. इस क्वेश्चन को कई तरीके हैं, अपना अपना तरीका है इसको सॉल्व करने का. देयर आर मेनी वेज टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. Right? For example, see how I have solved this question. You can say that, see, 0.01186 mole CO2 comes from 1 gram of M2CO3. This can be converted to moles 1 upon 2m plus 60. 1 upon 2m plus 60. Right? ठीक है, mole of M2CO3. Now 1 mole gives these many moles, 0.01186 mole gives these many moles. So 1 mole should give, 1 mole of this should give 1 upon 2m plus 60 into 0.01186, that from this much mole. And according to the question this should be equal to 1 because it is given, right? So you just solve for 2m plus 60, just solve for the value of 2m plus 60. 2m plus 60 will become 1 upon 0.01186 and you solve it, it will be 84.3. Solve it, it will be 84.3. The correct option for this question is 84.3. Simple geometry का analysis है, right? आगे बढ़ते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज एक बिल्कुल बेसिक क्वेश्चन है. इसको भी हम कह सकते हैं कि थोड़ा स्टोइकियोमेट्री से आया है क्वेश्चन. देखिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 21 says that healthy human adult body में ऑक्सीजन 61.4% है, कार्बन 22.9% है, हाइड्रोजन 10% है और नाइट्रोजन 2.6% है. राइट? तो 75 किलोग्राम के पर्सन में कितना हाइड्रोजन होगा? दैट विल बी 75 इंटू 10 बाय 100, दैट इज 77.5 kilograms. Right? If you are replacing 7.5 kilograms, replace it with double the mass because 1H1 is replaced by 1H2. So the mass will be 2 into 7.5 kilogram. This will be the new mass. This is the old mass. This is the value of old mass. So the delta change, the change in mass, right? That gain, that is the gain. Gain will be equal to 2 into 7.5 minus 7.5 and this will be 7.5 kg. So the correct option for this question is option number 4, 7.5 kg. The correct option for this question is option number 4, 7.5 kg. Now let me come to the next question. Next question is again from organic chemistry. Organic chemistry की बात करते हैं. Major product obtained when you react this. देखिए क्वेश्चन में C6H5, there is one Br which is out of the plane, one H like this, one C6H5. We can write here, considering the sp3 nature of the carbon, there will be 2 hydrogens like this. This when reacted with a bulky base like tertiary butoxide. देखिए second question है elimination का. So what will happen? Tertiary butoxide can come and abstract this hydrogen and remove this because of the formation of anti-periplanar transition state in an E2 reaction. And what will happen here? The chirality will be lost because a double bond will come here. sp2 हो जाएंगे दोनों carbon. And ultimately it's very easy. The correct solution is this. Ultimately it's very easy. The correct solution is this. So it is option 3. It is option 3. Right? So the correct option is option 3 for this question. Right? Next question की बात करते हैं. Next question comes from thermodynamics. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन कम्स थर्मोडायनामिक्स, और इस क्वेश्चन में कुछ डेटा हमको गिवन है और हमसे इस रिएक्शन का डेल्टा एच की वैल्यू पूछी जा रही है, राइट? और कुछ डेटा अपने को गिवन है जिसमें डेल्टा एच एफ नॉट फॉर कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड माइनस 393.5 kJ है पर मोल, delta HF naught for water liquid, that is also given to be minus 285.8 kJ per mole, and for one reaction delta H reaction is given. Delta H reaction is given for what? Given for this reaction CO2 plus 2H2O giving you CH4 plus 2O2. इसके लिए डेल्टा एच की वैल्यू दे रखी है प्लस 890.3. अब इसको कह सकते हैं, इसमें फॉर्मूला लगा सकते हैं समेशन डेल्टा एच एफ नॉट फॉर प्रोडक्ट्स माइनस समेशन डेल्टा एच एफ नॉट फॉर रिएक्टेंट्स. जब ये फॉर्मूला लगाएंगे तो इसको हम लिख सकते हैं, वी कैन राइट डाउन रीराइट दिस इक्वेशन एंड राइट डाउन दैट 890.3 इज इक्वल टू प्रोडक्ट्स का, तो दिस विल बी डेल्टा एच एफ नॉट फॉर मीथेन प्लस डेल्टा एच एफ नॉट for oxygen multiplied by 2. For oxygen it will be 0. Minus delta HF naught for CO2 and plus delta HF naught multiplied by 2 for water. Just put the desired values and you can calculate the value of delta HF naught for CH4. When you solve this answer comes out to be minus 74.8. It will be minus 74.8 kilojoule per mole. It is a heat of formation, right? नेगेटिव आएगा, एक्सोथर्मिक रहेगा रिएक्शन, और माइनस 74.8 किलोजूल पर मोल विल बी द आंसर. तो मेरे पास एक काफी अच्छा क्वेश्चन इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री का, कोर इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री का क्वेश्चन है, जिसमें जिंक ऑक्साइड N2O से रिएक्ट कर रहा है, सोडियम जिंकेट बन रहा है, जिंक ऑक्साइड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड से रिएक्ट करके जिंक कार्बोनेट दे रहा है. इस क्वेश्चन में आप देख सकते हैं कि रिएक्शन इज ऑल अबाउट ऑक्साइड ट्रांसफर. दिस इज एक्टिंग एज एन ऑक्साइड डोनर, दिस इज एक्टिंग एज एन ऑक्साइड एक्सेप्टर. Reverse is happening here. This is acting as an oxide donor. This is acting as an oxide acceptor. Oxide acceptor की बात करते हैं हम. Oxide acceptor is basically oxide acceptor की हम बात करेंगे तो oxide acceptor जो होता है that is an acid. That is an acid according to Lux flood concept. And this is acting as a base. While here this is acting as an oxide donor. So this is acting as a base, but this is acting as an acid. So this is the Lux flood concept. Lux flood concept of acids and bases, right? According to that concept, the question was asked. So the correct option to this question is acid and a base. Acid and a base, right? Option number 1. पहले acid और उसके बाद oxide, right? Next question देखते हैं. काफी अच्छा क्वेश्चन है, atomic structure का बेसिक क्वेश्चन है, लेकिन it talks about the radius of second Bohr orbit of hydrogen. So the correct straight cut formula is A naught n square by Z. That is A naught into 2 square, and we can put the value of A naught. It is 0.529 into 4 हो जाएगा. इसको solve करेंगे, this will come out to be 2.12 angstrom. This will come out to be 2.12 angstrom. तेजी से बढ़ते हैं next question की ओर. Next question is from chemical kinetics. Chemical kinetics में this question talks about the rates of reaction. This question talks about the rates of reaction. Arrhenius equation पे question बनाया है, राइट? थोड़ा सा मैथमेटिक्स इन्वॉल्व जरूर है. देखिए, दो रिएक्शंस की बात की जा रही है, R1 एंड R2, और इनका एक्सपोनेंशियल फैक्टर दोनों का सेम है, प्री एक्सपोनेंशियल फैक्टर. एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी में फर्क है, राइट? इफ दिस एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी फॉर 2 exceeds this is EA, then according to the question this is EA plus 10, but this is in kilojoule. And then we have to give the value of ln k2 by k1. We have to give the value of ln k2 by k1. ठीक है, natural logarithm of k2 by k1. इसको जब हम solve करेंगे तो we can easily write that k1 is equal to a e to the power minus ea plus 10 divided by r into 300 as the temperature is given. And this is in kilojoule, mind it. K2 is equal to a e to the power minus ea by r into 300. When we'll do K2 by K1, this will be e to the power minus Ea by R into 300 upon e to the power minus Ea plus 10, this is in kilojoule, upon R into 300. When you will solve it, this will come out to be e to the power 10 into 10 raised to the power 3 divided by 8.314 into 300. This will be 8.314 into 300. ये वैल्यू जो आ जाएगी, ये आ जाएगी 10 into 10 square upon 8.314 into 300. This will cancel out, so this will become approximately e to the power 4, and when you will take the log, the value will come out to be 4. Right? We'll take the natural sum, the value will come out to be 4. The correct option for this question is option. The correct option for this question is option number 1, and that is 4. Next question, simple solid state का question है. Metal crystallizes in an FCC. FCC में हम जानते हैं फेस डायगोनल कांटेक्ट मेंटेन होता है. फेस डायगोनल कांटेक्ट मेंटेन होता है, तो कंडीशन ये होनी चाहिए that 4R should be equal to root 2a, and the closest approach, the value of closest approach will be 2R. From here 2R will be root 2 by 2a, and that is a by root 2. So the correct option for this question is a by root 2, that is option number 1. Correct option for this question is a by root 2, that is option number 1. Right? अगले क्वेश्चन की ओर बढ़ते हैं क्विकली. इससे अगले क्वेश्चन में ये दिया गया है that the group of isoelectronic species is, so we very well know the group of isoelectronic species, oxide ion, fluoride ion, sodium ion, magnesium ion. अगर इनकी बात करेंगे then all of them are 10 electron species, so they are isoelectronic. So they are isoelectronic, right? So the correct option for this question is option 2. Next question, simple. Next question is about, you are given some E naught values, E naught Cl2 chloride, E naught Cr3 plus Cr, E naught dichromate Cr3 plus, and E naught MnO4 minus and Mn2 plus. This value is 1.36. This value is minus 0.74. This value is 1.33. And this value is 1.51. तो ये पूछा गया है which is strongest reducing agent. ये पूछा गया है कि which is strongest reducing agent. Options are chloride, second is chromium, third is manganese 2 plus, and fourth is Cr3 plus. तो देखिए strongest reducing agent वो होना चाहिए जिसका खुद का ऑक्सीडेशन पोटेंशियल मैक्सिमम हो, जिसकी खुद की ऑक्सीडेशन पोटेंशियल मैक्सिमम हो. इस डेटा को रिवर्स करेंगे तो समझ आएगा E नॉट Cr3 प्लस, यानी कि क्रोमियम का ऑक्सीडेशन पोटेंशियल, 0.74 है. बाकी इन सब का ऑक्सीडेशन पोटेंशियल रिवर्स कर दीजिए, नेगेटिव आएगा. इन सब का ऑक्सीडेशन पोटेंशियल आप रिवर्स कर दीजिए, और ऑल ऑफ देम द ऑक्सीडेशन पोटेंशियल विल बी नेगेटिव. सो इट इज ओनली chromium. So the correct option is chromium, क्योंकि सिर्फ उसी का ऑक्सीडेशन पोटेंशियल जो है that is positive, right? So this is the correct option. Now let me come to the last question. Last question is again a question from organic chemistry. उसमें stereochemistry के बारे में पूछा जा रहा है, and you are doing an addition reaction. 3-methyl pent2ene बनाएंगे. 1 2 3 4 5, 3 पे मिथाइल ग्रुप, pent2ene. Write this. This is reacted with HBr in presence of peroxide, right? So you have to tell me that how many possible stereoisomers will be formed. Again a basic question, कैसे solve होएगा? Peroxide है, because so we will apply anti-Markovnikov rule. We'll apply anti-Markovnikov rule. By anti-Markovnikov rule, CH3C इधर H आ जाएगा, इधर जो है आपके पास Br लग जाएगा, इधर C, इधर CH3, इधर H, CH2, CH3. आप देख सकते हैं दो chiral center क्रिएट, 2 n is equal to 2. There is no symmetry, so we need not to bother about symmetry and apply the formula that total number of stereoisomers will be 2 to the power 2, and that is 4. So the correct option for this question is 4. The correct option for this question is 4, option number 1. Thank you students for watching the video solutions to IIT JEE Mains 2017. We'll be coming up with solutions for advanced also, and We are open for our advanced batch for IIT-JEE 2017, and if you can always come and inquire at Upadhyay Gangapur Road Center to talk about whenever the batch will start. And all the best for JEE Advanced.